Former BBC star Huw Edwards has no memory of viewing the child abuse images that destroyed his career because of his worsening mental health, the court was told. The disgraced presenter avoided an immediate jail term today as he was sentenced after pleading guilty to 3 counts of making indecent images of children. Evidence has been heard, including a message exchange with Alex Williams, the man who shared indecent images with the Welsh presenter. Ex-News at 10 presenter Edwards, 63, was handed a 6-month sentence, suspended for 2, by Chief Magistrate Paul Goldspring during a hearing at Westminster Magistrates Court. Goldspring also declined to make Edwards the subject of a sexual harm prevention order. He said he did not pose a risk to the public, but said he would be on the sexual offenders register for 7 years. Edwards sat forward with his hands together, pressed against his lips, as Mr. Goldspring told him, "The impact of child sexual abuse can be severe and lifelong." Edwards does not remember ever looking the sick photos, his defense barrister has said. He told the court, "You have read both the mental and physical health of Mr. Edwards, which were particularly bad at precisely the time when this offending took place. It's had an effect on his cognition. He has no memory of viewing any particular images. He did not store any of these images on any device. He didn't use them for any personal gratification." Mr. Evans KC said shamed Edwards was truly sorry for how he has damaged his family and his loved ones, and for committing the offenses. He said, "He knows he has hurt and he has damaged his family and his loved ones around him. For all of this, he is truly sorry, and he is truly sorry he has committed these offenses." Earlier, Edwards wrote yes, XXX, when he was asked by a convicted pedophile if he wanted to receive sexual images of a person whose age could be discerned as being between 14 and 16. Prosecutor Ian Hope said, "From that chat in December 2020, Alex Williams said that he had a file of vids and pics for you of someone special." Mr. Edwards immediately queried who the subject was and was then sent 3 images of seemingly the same person, from 2 of which images the subject's age could be discerned as being between 14 and 16. These 2 were Category C indecent images of children in which the child was exposing his penis. Alex Williams stated that he had 12 videos and 42 pics. "I've sent you a video of him before." Shortly after Alex Williams asked, "Want me to send you the full file?" Mr. Edwards responded, "Yes." In defense, Edwards had no previous cautions or convictions and had reached his late 50s as a man of positive good character. He recognizes the repugnant nature and the hurt done to those who appear in the images and, for his part, in that he apologizes sincerely and makes clear he has the utmost regret, says Mr. Evans. Edwards was arrested in November 2023 and continued to be paid by the BBC until he resigned 5 months later. Following numerous calls, the BBC have said they are demanding he pays back the money he earned from them between that time. The disgraced TV presenter appears in court today for his sentencing. It emerged during the hearing that Edwards had handed over sums of money to convicted pedophile Williams in exchange for images of child abuse. Evans KC, defending, says that Edwards did not pay Williams for the purposes of receiving indecent images. He also said that Edwards told Williams not to send images of children that were underage. He also argued that Edwards had not made images in the traditional sense. Instead, he had viewed them on a WhatsApp message.